Hi everyone, welcome to Best Out of Best. Do you love fresh juice but hate the hassle? Let me show you why the manual juicer citrus lemon squeezer is a game changer for your kitchen. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome product tips and reviews. So first up, simplicity. This juicer is so easy to use, anyone can use it. Cut your citrus in half, place it in the squeezer, press and watch the fresh juice flow. No cards, no batteries, just good old fashioned hand power. So why choose this or electric juicer? Because it's compact. If you are tired of appliances hogging your counter space, this little tool is a dream. It's lightweight, portable, and fits in any drawer or cupboards. Okay, this isn't just another flimsy gadget made from durable stainless steel or aluminum. The manual juicer Citrus Lemon Squeezer is built to last. It's rust resistant, sturdy, and designed to handle daily use without wearing out. So one of the biggest reasons to buy this is for your health. Freshly squeezed citrus juice is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Whether it's lemonade, detox water, or adding flavor to your meals, this juicer makes healthy living effortless. Okay, now let's talk about cost. Unlike pricey electric juicers, this is a one-time investment that doesn't break the bank. It's affordable, reliable, and gives you everything you need for a fraction of the price. And cleaning, it's mess-free. Rinse it under the tap or toss it in the dishwasher. No complicated parts to deal with. No extra hassle. So why should you choose the manual juicer Citrus Lemon Squeezer? It's simple, durable, space saving, and budget friendly. And it supports a healthier lifestyle without the mess or stress. So that's why the manual juicer Citrus Lemon Squeezer is a must have for every kitchen. It's easy, affordable, and makes fresh juice a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.